Alright boys, Deus 2 version 200. Okay, we're going to look at this, notching this iron range, running silencer one in the fast, and we're going to go to 5 tones. There's a quarter under that 4x4 block there, and you see that nail there. Okay, so I'm in fast program currently. 6.8 disc, no notch, silencer is at 1. Pitch tones. Speed 2.5. We won't mess with the speed setting. Listen. You hear that? All iron tone. Okay? So in the wild, that situation there, now that's a modern style nail, but they exist out there too, okay? So you get to hear that. Sweeping that detector. All iron tone. Okay? So now I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to change the tones to 5 tones. I'm going to add 0 through 4 notch. Okay? Now, we're in 5 tones down here. See that first bend right there? Right there. I've turned that up a little bit. I'm going to turn it up a little more. We're going to leave it right there for right now. The volume on it is 10. Okay? So we're going to sweep again here. You hear that? You see that 5 in the meter. Okay, so I'm going to go back in here to 5 tones expert screen. Toggle over here. We'll raise this up a little more. And you would raise this to whatever you decided you wanted to use. There's 500 roughly, 502. So you get to hear that. Alright. You see the meter again. Okay, now we're going to go back in here. We're going to go back down here to 5 tones. And I'm going to put it back at default, which I believe is 202. Right there. Okay, so now we're back at default. And that's what it sounds like. Okay. We'll go back over here. We'll raise it even up higher. Let's just see what this sounds like when I go up higher than 502. On this scenario. Okay, that's 603. Okay. You can hear that, can't you? You see that meter, what it's reading? That would maybe increase your odds in the wild, okay? And I'll take the notch out of the machine with the same settings you just heard except for the notch. So see, now that's all iron tone now. What we just did now is hitting that nail. Okay, I'll put the notch back in the machine. Alright. Sweep again. So you get to hear that. That's set to 603. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this block up here. You see that quarter there, okay? So I'll set the block down, take the quarter out, and sweep with our notch. Okay. We don't hear what we heard, okay? I hope you enjoyed.